Okay, what's up guys? So you're gonna want to begin by ironing your shirt. Okay, you want to line up your words, the words that you want to use, your press-on words. So next, I took the sticky part off and put it down, and then placed the it's kind of like that transparent white-looking paper over it, and you're just gonna hold it down for like 20 seconds. Hold the iron down for 20 seconds on high heat. It has to be high heat, guys, like almost like pretty much like cotton but with no steam. So you're gonna hold it down on each second for 20 to 30 seconds until you're fully done covering that sticker, covering that section that you want to press on to your shirt. You also want to press down really, really hard to make sure that it sticks, that the words are, sticking to your t-shirt. So press, 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 press. So all I'm doing here is still just applying pressure to the shirt and just moving the iron around to each section to make sure that my sticker, not my sticker, to make sure that my press on sticks to my shirt. So I'm just moving my iron around. Once you're done pressing that down thoroughly, you can remove that white frosty looking backing, remove that backing. And then after that, you'll take off the sticker and your words should not be peeling off. If it is peeling off, just repress it on. Okay, so I have 2 press-ons for one shirt. So the next press-on I'm going to be putting on, I'm going to place that, well, I actually forgot to move the sticker off the last one, but I'm going to do that. This is my very first time, so bear with me. I'm going to remove that sticker first, and then I'm going to be able to place the second the second press on down. So once you slowly remove that sticker off of your first press on, you can line up your second press on, make sure it's centered, line it up, and then begin the same method, the same process. Okay, so after you place the second press on down, you're just going to do the same thing as I said before. Just take your iron. I did forget to put it's kind of like parchment paper, the whitish paper. I forgot to put that down over my sticker, but make sure you remember that. But anyways, so you just press down for 20 seconds, repeat the same method, which is what I'm doing right here. Okay, so once you finish pressing on really good both words in each section, you're going to remove that sticker again, super slow. Make sure it's stuck on, make sure no ends are lifting up, because otherwise you'd have to redo it. And voila, you're pretty much done. Then you're going to want to turn the shirt inside out, which is what I've done, and press really hard over each section for 20 to 30 seconds each again. So repeat the same method to ensure that it is fully onto your shirt. So I'm just pressing down. It's really, really hard using two hands. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. I really hope you like this video. Make sure you share this video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below if you tried it and just if you like the shirt. All right, thank you. All right, so here's the shirt on. Tell me how I did. It was my very first time ever. Excuse the mess behind me. It's my very first time ever. How did I do? How's it look? Hold on. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. So show me some love in the comments and subscribe.